Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most likely beautiful and trendy woodworking ideas, wooden projects, wooden decor ideas, home decor ideas, beautiful and trendy stylish woodworking ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of woodworking you can see in this my video. Beautiful wooden projects you can see. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most trendy, beautiful home decor ideas, office decor ideas, beautiful woodworking ideas, new and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking, stylish wooden projects. Most beautiful, most likely, easy to make, beautiful woodworking ideas. You can decorate your room, your lounge, your office, your garden with beautiful and trendy, stylish woodworking. Easy to make, beautiful palette projects of woodworking ideas. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful woodworking ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful objects, these very beautiful projects online. These websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most popular designs and ideas. So please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives your feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive woodworking ideas, beautiful wooden decoration ideas, home decor ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.